Hello everyone, so this is Tasty Tuesday tip. It's been a minute since I've done a Tasty Tuesday tip, but I want to jump on and to do a product review for today for Tasty Tuesday tip. So I was in Dollar Tree. Y'all know Dollar Tree have little snacks. So something caught my eye. This is, can y'all see that? WayBetter. I don't know if you can see that really good. So I saw this particular product. I said, why not do a product review and just see how it tastes. And it is a product, it says vegan, no artificial flavors, no trans fat. You can see that product label. So I said, let me give it a try. And it says that it has, it's whole grain tortilla chips, and I like tortilla chips. Whole grain with sprouted with flax, quinoa, chia, broccoli, and radish. So I said, let me give it a try and do a product review. So I tasted it today, my husband and I will give it a pass. So now if you're a person who's into like spicy, you will love these. I'm not really big on really spicy things, so it's not too bad though. Even with the chili, it's not too bad. So I will give this product a pass, and it's called WayBetter. It has a nice crunch to it, thickness to the tortilla chip, nice little crunch to it. My husband loved it. He really loved the product. So this was actually at Dollar Tree. So this is like if you're a person who likes to have chips or you like a crunch, but you want something a little healthier. So the serving size, 9 chips is a serving. I think 2 serving sizes in one bag. But 9 chips is a serving. Per serving has like 3 grams of fiber. And it's not high in sodium. And so I thought it was no saturated fat. So 0.5 grams saturated fat. So it's not really too bad. So overall, I would get this a pass. WayBetter. You can get it at Dollar Tree. I got it from Dollar Tree in Clarksdale. So every Dollar Tree have different products. I mean, I got it from, not Clarksdale, I think it was South Haven. So every Dollar Tree have different products, because I couldn't find them in Clarksdale. So it just depends on where you are. Check your local Dollar Tree and see can you find the WayBetter products. So this is one I will give a pass. WayBetter. So try it out. See what you think. It has a little spice to it, but it has it's a nice chip, a nice crunch. But you will love these. I think that's a good idea. Nice for dipping. A nice chip for dipping. So I will give this product a pass. It's called WayBetter. And it is a snack if you want some kind of snack option. You don't want to do the regular potato chips, but you want something maybe a little healthier. Try these out. Local Dollar Tree, $1. But that's all for today. I just want to get on and do a product review for Tasty Tuesday tip. And I will see y'all again next week.